Nutrition in plants. This is first chapter of class 7th. Okay. We know that food is very important for us, essential for us. All living organisms require food to grow, to manage their damaged part of body. When we injured, our tissue get injured. To maintain, to redevelop that burned, that damaged cell, we have to. The process of taking in food by an organism is known as nutrition. We can also write it in this way. The process of taking in food by an organism and its utilization by the body. Its utilization is known as nutrition. So first thing, there is two part of this definition. First part, take in. Organism take in food in our body, in their body. Okay. Next step, utilize. Food be utilized to form energy. So organism first take food and then after they utilize that food to make or produce energy. And then after, with the help of that energy, any organism unable to perform their life process. Okay. There are two types of nutrition. First, autotrophic and second, heterotrophic. So, there are two types of nutrition. First is autotrophic nutrition and second is heterotrophic nutrition. First of all, we discuss about autotrophic nutrition. What is autotrophic nutrition? All green plants make their own food. That's why green plants are known as producer. They have ability to make their food by themselves with the help of some raw material like carbon dioxide and water. In this process, sunlight play a very important role. Sunlight gives heat or energy to the green plant to perform this process. It means that plant make their own food with the help of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. of nutrition, the mode of nutrition where green plant make food themselves from simple substance like carbon dioxide, water is called autotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition where green plant make food themselves from simple substance like carbon dioxide, water is called autotrophic nutrition. So here we discuss about first type of nutrition, which is autotrophic nutrition. So basically producer who make their food by themselves, and that mode in which green plants make their own food are known as autotrophic nutrition.